Hey guys, this is Shubh Sinha here, and today in this video, I'm going to tell you some Spotify tips and tricks which will blow your mind. So without any further ado, let's get started. To all those people who are crying that they use Apple Music or Gaana and how they can transfer their stuff to Spotify, so there is a website called soundiz.com. Here you just have to connect to your Apple Music or Gaana, connect to your Spotify, and the team will transfer all the stuff including songs and playlists. So if you are going to any new place taking the help of Google Maps and want to play songs on Spotify, then this trick will help you a lot. Just integrate your Spotify with Google Maps and you can control both of them very easily. Just open the Google Maps application, go to settings and head over to navigation settings. Now set Spotify as default media app and you have successfully integrated Spotify. Now whenever you will navigate to somewhere, you will see this Spotify icon and you can control the Spotify here itself. It is less puzzling than doing split screen or switching between the two. Now if we are talking about integrating Spotify, why not talk about alarm clock? The Spotify app can be connected to your default Android alarm clock app so that you can wake up to your favorite track on Spotify. So to do this, make sure your clock app is updated. Just launch it and in the alarm section you will see Spotify integration. Connect your account and have fun. If by mistake you deleted any of your Spotify playlist, then don't spoil your day crying over your mistake. Just open up your browser and go to spotify.com, log in there and you can recover your deleted playlist. If you are hearing an amazing song but you don't know what its name is, then what you have to do is just install this application Shazam. Set it up and just tap on this button. Shazam will identify the song and from here you can open the song in Spotify. Add it to your playlist if you feel and just enjoy it. If you hate that your songs end abruptly, so you can enable crossfade in settings and enjoy that smooth transition. So if you are listening to your song or track on your phone and you want to cast that song to your smart TV or PC or any other device, then it is very simple. Play any song, tap on this TV and speaker icon and choose the one which you want to play the song and that's it. The song will start playing on the device. If you are using the computer option, then ensure that you have the same Spotify account logged in the other device. Ending up the list, I have a nifty trick. Just launch the Spotify app, search for This Is Language Superstar and tap on this playlist. Here you will find a bunch of language lessons which you can try to improve that particular language. It has German, French, Spanish, etc. but not Hindi. And in the end, don't forget to share this video to your Spotify freaks. That's it for this one. Like it and I will see you guys in the next cool video. Peace out.